What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be testing out my Imugi. So I got this from the creator program. We're going to be running the new laser weapons on it and just seeing how good it is. I'm running 2 nuclear amplifiers and a balance unit. Here are the pilot skills. They do need upgrading quite a bit more, so I'll be doing that eventually. But yeah guys, I think we should test out this brand new teleporting robot. And yeah guys, we'll just see how it does. Okay guys, so we have dropped in on factory map. Let's see how good this Imugi is. Okay. I need this guy to link to me. Come on, link to me. Really? Look at this. I can make their paint go yellow if I shoot at them. No one linked to me, so I guess I'm just going to go to this beacon. I have played a few games before with this thing. And I know sort of how the portals work. When you take off, it spawns one, and when you drop down, it spawns one. I've yet to see anybody go through these portals. So I don't think this thing's going to be too overpowered. As you can see, the weapons aren't that strong. Look, they're weak against Aegis shields. Oh, there we go. We are getting some good damage. So I'd say they're pretty balanced right now. However, don't take that opinion seriously because it's just an opinion. And they're not a Mark 3 either. This is only a Mark 2. Okay, so I still need to get, as you can see, you see the portals that drop every time I land. Okay. So there's my other portal. Yes, there we go, we got a kill, This thing is more of a support robot. You're supposed to like drop portals and then like this and then go to their home beacon and then your team should follow you through the portal. But they never do, but I think that's just because it's too early right now and nobody knows what this thing really does. Oh! Oh! Look how much damage I'm doing to that Seraph! Wow, he got destroyed. Oh no. Oh, I almost teleported through my own portal there. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to leave. Yep. The thing is, this guy can hit me while I'm in stealth. Because he's a Seraph. I want to see how many kills I can get with this. Maybe this guy? Oh. Oh, really? Let's just get out of this Orion Blast. Wow, Seraphs really don't like it. It destroys Seraphs. Come on! How is he healing like that? Oh, that was an angler though, to be fair. Oh, so all my weapons been blown off already. We're on a rampage though. Literally, I swear this thing's weapons get blown off way too fast. That's happened. I've noticed that in like all the games. Come on. Can I steal another kill? Probably not. Maybe this guy, though. Maybe? It's possible. Yes. Oh, godlike! Okay. I didn't even notice how those kills were creeping up there. But, I don't know. I don't know if you guys see what I mean. It's good. But it's not overpowered good. Like, meta really good. It's balanced, which is good because that's what the game needs, balance. Nobody's using the portals properly yet, but we'll see if this thing becomes OP once people figure out how to use the portals. I swear with some bots it does like no damage, and then others it just deletes it. Look, I'm barely doing any damage to the Fafnir, but I'm deleting Seraphs. Like, how does that work? Look at that, man. Doesn't really do much damage. We kind of need to... I need to ditch this really and get some beacons. It is good for beacon running though. Well, I'll just quickly grab this beacon. Hopefully no one spawns. Can we get the Ao Ming? Possibly. No, possibly, maybe. Oh! I actually killed it! Let's go. That was unexpected. I'm still getting kills in this. I've only got 2 weapons left. This Seraph. Come on. Is he running away? No, he's definitely not running away. He's probably going to kill me. I don't care because I'm getting the beacon. Come on, I need to hit someone to my orbital strike charges. Let's go. Oh! Let's go. How am I still alive? Imagine we can kill this ether as well. I just need to die, really. I just need to accept my death. Look how much damage I'm... Oh! I did so much damage to that Seraph before I died. We're definitely going to win this game. Let's drop in with this ether now. I've been running this for quite a while, but I haven't done a video on it yet because I need the full build. So this is kind of like a taster of just how OP this thing is. And everyone has one now as well. There we go. Okay, that guy might be a bit of a problem. I swear this thing has like no defense points though. Like it dies so fast. You might be able to snipe the Muramets. I'm gonna try and kill him once he lands. I need to be really careful that he can't hit me. Go! Hunt down the Muramets. He's stuck in the air. Oh, he's dead. We've got him. Titan Slayer. Oh, this guy's gonna smoke me now though. Oh wait, he doesn't even care. He probably could have killed me there if he wanted to. So now I can just go and kill him. Or the other guy. That one's pretty low over there. I might be able to just get him. No, he's gonna go around the corner. No! Or maybe. Oh, that would have been 3 Titan Slayers. Now this guy's gonna kill me. These weapons do crazy damage. The ether itself isn't too strong, it's just the weapons. The glaive and lance are really broken. Although it is pretty handy having a Mahavaja on here, because it destroys things at close range. I think this shotgun build for this would be OP. But I just don't have enough resources to level it. That guy's dead. Yeah, the game's pretty much done now. We're just waiting for them to, like, die. But yeah, the Imugi's good. I actually like it. We just have to wait until people realize about going through the portals. Because it does need support. It's not that strong on its own. Yeah, I also don't think the lasers are the best build for it. I might try out some other builds. Right, okay, let's see how we did. Second on the team, 8 kills, 4 beacons, 4.6 million damage. Not too bad. The guy above me was a sweat, I think. So yeah, here's the honor points. But yeah, guys, I actually really like the Imugi. Okay then, so I hope you guys enjoyed the gameplay of the brand new Imugi robot. I'm happy it's actually balanced. If you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.